Now I'm going to discontinue the IV. We frequently will call that DC the IV. Now this happens to be a saline lock, but you would use the same procedure as if you were DCing an IV that was running, except that you would be sure that the tubing was clamped off before you took out the IV. So again, you want to check your doctor's order, make sure that you've got the right patient that you're DCing the IV on. You're going to collect all the equipment that you need, go into the room, identify the patient, and explain it to the patient. So Miss Witt.
Hi there.
Hi, great news. You get to have your IV taken out.
Oh, yes, thank you. That means I'm closer to getting home.
Yes.
Good.
Let me just see here. Okay. This doesn't hurt as much as it does going in. I'm just going to take all the tape off and pull it out.
Okay.
Okay. So what I need is my 2x2, an alcohol swab, and a piece of tape ready to go and place over the 2x2. Usually there's not too much bleeding with this, but if the patient's been on heparin or any other type of anticoagulant, sometimes there will be, and you might have to put pressure for a longer period of time.
That's good, because I've been on aspirin a lot,
Oh,
so
have you?
yeah, might bleed a little bit.
I'm just going to loosen up the tubing off the tape here without completely taking it off. And of course it's a little bit more difficult in a person who has very hairy arms, which isn't the case here. On the tape you could use a little alcohol, but the op site, it's a little bit more difficult, and you just sort of have to work slowly at getting it off. Just be patient in trying to get the tape off. How you doing, okay?
Yeah.
There's a lot of tape on here. Someone wanted to make sure it wasn't coming out.
Mm-hmm. A nurse by the name of Jennifer put that in.
Okay, here we go. One more piece. You all right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, now I'm going to put my gloves on. And I'm going to take my 2x2 and fold it up. And I might need for you to help me here, okay, a little bit. When I tell you this, I want you to push down on this if I need for you to.
You doing all right? Yeah. Doesn't hurt at all.
Okay. Here we go. All right, good.
All right.
Hold it down really tight.
Okay.
And there we go. Put a lot of pressure onto that. And if you have the time, go ahead and put some pressure. You could tell the patient to put some pressure on it for a couple minutes to make sure it doesn't bleed.
Didn't hurt at all.
Great. No.
All right.